Hello my viewers, my maths topic today is about ratio and proportion. When we say ratio, there is numerator and denominator. So we call this one as ratio. Proportion. Proportion means there are two ratios. For example, 1 over 4 is equal to x over 3. So that's proportion, and then we use equality symbol. Now let's solve this one. Find the value of x to form a proportion. Number 1, 3 over 4 is equal to 6 over x. So we are asked to solve this value of x. So I will apply cross multiplication. 3 times x is 3x is equal to 4 times 6 is 24, and then divide by the numerical coefficient of x, which is 3. Cross out 3, then x is equal to 24 over 3. What is 24 divided by 3? This is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 for number 1. Now let us check if this is proportion. So 3 over 4 is equal to 6, and then we will substitute the value of x is 8. Then we will apply cross multiplication. 3 times 8 is 24, and then up 4 times 6 is 24. So therefore, they are equal. It means x is correct. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is 12 over 4 is equal to 3 over x. Again, I will apply cross multiplication. 12 times x is 12x. And then up cross multiplication also. 4 times 3 is 12. Divide both sides by 12. Cross out 12. X equals 12 divided by 12 is 1. Now we have to check this one based on our given. So this will be 12 over 4 is equal to 3. And then we will substitute the value of x, which is 1. And then cross multiplication. 12 times 1 is 12. Is equal to cross multiply 4 times 3 is 12. So this is equal. It means this is correct. Now let's proceed to, is it number 3? Number 3. Number 3 is 3 over 18 is equal to x over 6. So we need to solve the value of x. So I need to cross multiply this one. 18 times x is 18x. And then cross multiply this one also. 3 times 6 is 18. Divide both sides by the numerical coefficient of x. This is also 18. Cross out. X is equal to 1. Okay, to check this one, we'll go back to the equation and then substitute the value of x in the given. So this is 3 over 18 is equal to x, which is 1 over 6. Then cross multiply. 3 times 6, 18 is equal to 18 times 1 is 18. So since they are equal, meaning number 3 is correct. X is equal to 1. Let's proceed to number 4. Number 4 is x over 4 is equal to 25 over 2. Again, I need to cross multiply this one. X times 2 or 2 times x is 2x is equal to, cross multiply again, 4 times 25. What is 25 times 4? 5 times 4 is 20, carry 2. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2, that is 10 or 100. This will be 100. 100. Then I need to divide by the numerical coefficient of x, which is 2, both sides. Cross out 2. Then I have x. What is 100 divided by 2? 100 divided by 2. So I need this one. 10 by 2. So how many 2 I have in 10? So this will be 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Take away. This will be 0. Bring down 0. So how many 2 are there in 0? This is 0. Multiply. This will be 0. Take away 0. So I have 50 for number 4. Now let us check this one if this is correct. Now substitute the value of x, which is 50, to the given. So 50 over 4 is equal to 25 over 2. Then apply cross multiplication. 50 times 2 is 100. And then 4 times 25 is 100. Since they are equal, meaning number 4 is correct. The value is x is equal to 50. Let's proceed to number 5. Okay, number 5 is 3 is to 8 is equal to x is to 16. So how do we write this one in fractional form? So this will be 3 over 8, and then this will be x over 16. Since we are asked to find the value of x, I need to cross multiply this one. 8 times x is 8x, and then this one cross multiply. What is 16 times 3? 6 times 3 is 18, carry 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1, 4. So this is 48. Then I need to divide the numerical coefficient of x, which is 8. 8 also in here, then cross out 8. So x will be equal to, what is 48 divided by 8? Is it 6? 6 times 8 is 48. So this will be 0. So the answer is 6. So the value for number 5, x equals 6. Let us check if this is proportion. So I have here 3 over 8 is equal to, the value of x is 6 over 16. Then cross multiply. 16 times 3, this is 18, carry 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1. The answer is 48. Then up, 6 times 8 is 48. Since they are equal, meaning number 5 is correct, which is x equals 6. Let's proceed to number 6. Three is to x is equal to 12 is to 16. Find the value of x. So we have to write this one in fractional form. 3 over x is equal to 12 over 16. We need to solve the value of x. So I need to cross multiply this one. X times 12 or 12 times x, that will be 12x, is equal to 3 times 16 is 48. Then I need to divide this one both sides by 12 to solve the value of x. Cross out. So x is equal to, what is 48 divided by 12? So how many 12 are in 48? So I think this is 4, right? 4 times 2 is 8. Then 4 times 1 is 4. Take away, that will be 0. So the answer is 4. Now let us check if this is correct by substituting the value of x equals to 4 to the given. So this one, 3 over x is equal to 12 over 16. So substitute, 3 over 4 is equal to 12 over 16. Then cross multiply. 3 times 16 is 48. 4 times 12 is 48. Since they are equal, meaning x equals 4 is correct. That's all.